When rails need to be restored with absolute precision, the RU800S is the name to go for. With its synchronous motor system and huge horsepower, this giant machine acts as a mobile factory, automatically repairing and regenerating each heavy rail section. Efficient and versatile for cleaning water, the MC101 is the ideal solution. With its compact design, powerful propulsion motor, and dual U-shaped front cutters, this boat easily removes floating plants from ponds and lakes and is conveniently transported by the Converse CTP 485. The Sandvik H621 underground excavator demonstrates outstanding power underground. Equipped with a 588 kilowatt diesel engine and a specialized design for the mining environment. This machine moves flexibly, shoveling effectively in harsh and challenging underground conditions. Wow! Sandvik Mining deploys powerful machines with engines of hundreds of horsepower. Each machine is a combination of advanced technology and impressive mechanical strength, ready to conquer any challenge. For maximum efficiency in large-scale composting, the AeroMaster PT190 pull type is the ideal choice. In an impressive demonstration, the machine shows off its power with a width of 16 feet and a tilting capacity of up to 8 feet, handling mixing, aerating, and adding inoculants in a single pass. When the power reaches its peak, the Caterpillar D8H, E, and D6R tractors with up to 650 horsepower combine to create a spectacular sight. Plowing deep into the huge fields, they plow the soil and rocks with tremendous traction, demonstrating the ultimate mechanical power. Leave a comment 1 if you feel fascinated by the performances of these impressive machines. In a powerful scene, the Hitachi 870 excavator performs powerful self-discharging operations with high precision. Equipped with an engine with a capacity of about 532 horsepower, this machine handles large loads easily, discharging soil and rocks quickly and smoothly on all harsh terrains. It is breathtaking to see a giant machine come back to life. In a spectacle of engineering and mechanical power, the process of reassembling the dismantled excavator is meticulously carried out. The hundreds of horsepower engine gradually starts up, ready to return to the construction site with its inherent power. A sight to behold at the Sotieriadis Labrianidis mining site, giant Caterpillar 773B and Caterpillar 980C dump trucks being transported across rough terrain. With engines of hundreds of horsepower, they pack a formidable mechanical punch, ready for the heavy task ahead. The mini dredge swamp excavator makes an impressive sight as it moves steadily over thick snow and ice. With a powerful engine and a specialized track system, this machine traverses slippery terrain, demonstrating its superior strength and grip. The real challenge was just beginning. In the muddy field, two machines, Kiravets 701 and T150, were transporting fertilizer. Kiravets 701, with a 300 horsepower engine, suddenly got stuck, roaring violently in an attempt to get out of the deep mud. off-road journey begins. The scene in Matarani, Peru becomes spectacular with the convoy of super wide and heavy loads. The extremely large capacity tractors with hundreds of horsepower roar through every corner, demonstrating the pinnacle of heavy logistics technology. When heights become a challenge, the New Holland LM 1745 Suntap is a true warrior. With a powerful 143 horsepower engine and a long-reach boom, this machine easily handles heavy loads, delivering outstanding performance in every job site situation. At the port of Skolte, Latvia, the scene of timber transportation is bustling and powerful. Specialized forklifts with engines of hundreds of horsepower operate continuously, unloading large logs from ships to the yard, demonstrating maximum mechanical power and logistical efficiency. Spectacular scene in the mud. A powerful skidder with a 100 horsepower engine is pulling another skidder and a Chevy 4x4 stuck in the mud. With a resounding roar, the machine overcomes the deep mud, rescuing its teammates with incredible pulling power. If you are also passionate about such dramatic journeys, do not hesitate to leave comment number 1. It was breathtaking to watch the giant excavator slowly approach the old water tower, swinging its bucket to smash apart the concrete. With an engine capable of hundreds of horsepower, the machine created a scene that shook the ground, marking the end of an outdated structure. When the ground needs to be deeply improved, the big machines really come into their own. On the vast fields, Gaber, Bork's Case IH Quad Track 450 and STX 375 roar with engines up to 450 horsepower, plowing and leveling the fields with power and efficiency. As the nation's infrastructure builds, the spectacle of the bridge moving operations for the Indonesian high-speed rail, KCIC, project will become a target. Super long vehicles with 100-horsepower engines in concrete blocks crossing the streets as a symbol of precision and capacity.
Mau masuk